In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Sony WF-C510 and C700N with your Android smartphone. This is a Samsung smartphone, but it works with any other Android models. So the first step is to make sure that both earbuds are in the case. Then close the lid, open the lid, whoops, okay. Once the lid is open, you're gonna notice in the back of the case there is a button. Press on that button until the light in front over here is flashing blue. Then you can release the button. So let's do it together. I'm pressing that button and taking a look at the light here. Okay, it's flashing blue. I can release my finger from the button. The earbuds are in pairing mode. Leave them with the case open. Now on your phone, we need to do this quite quickly. You have about a minute or two. Go into the Bluetooth settings. So over here, settings, then connection, then Bluetooth. And from here, depending which model of Android you have, you may have a button on the top right saying pair. Click on pair or scan, sometimes it says. Once you do this, you should see at the bottom of the Bluetooth list available devices and then your earbuds over here, WF-C510 or C700N. Click on them. It will start pairing, then select pair on your phone. And they will be added to this list of all the paired devices. If you see this message appearing, press save. Now, if you're on Android, they will ask you to download the Sony app for your earbuds to have access to more features. I highly recommend you do this. It may suggest you to download it on the screen, like here. I'll press download and it will bring you to the Sony Sound Connect app where you can install it. But if it does not ask you, just go into the Google Play Store and search for Sony Sound Connect. Let me show you the app. Quickly, I will install it. You can put your earbuds in your ears at this point because they are linked together. You can even start listening to music or movies. Okay, I have opened the app and over here, just click I read above and click start. Click agree and proceed. Agree, start using. Press OK. Press allow. You're gonna see your earbuds over here. Press OK. Press later. Click continue without restoring. Press next. You can even quit. This is just a quick tutorial how to change the ear tips. And here we go. And here we go. This is the main screen of the app and you can see your model here. You can see the battery life in each of them, which is quite cool. You can press show. Okay. And now you have the battery life left in the case. You can control ambient sound or off or noise cancellation if you have the C700N. You can even have an equalizer over here where you can change the different settings. And you have other settings that you can change. If you want to update your earbuds, over here it will say the latest audio device software is available. Click on more info, press OK, and it will bring you to the update page where you'll be able to do it. And I highly suggest it. So overall, this is it. This is how you pair your Sony earbuds with your Android smartphone. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.